My name is Stevenson Joseph, Governor of Pohnpei State, and this year I am hosting the Micronesian Island Forum. So I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome everyone that are flying into Pohnpei for the next few days to participate in this forum. The Micronesian Island Forum, to my understanding, is a sub-regional forum to the Pacific Island Forum. It was created mainly so that discussions are limited to the issues within the Micronesian region. Chief executive leaders of the respective governments of Micronesia getting together for 2 days with an agenda and try to discuss common issues, and hopefully they can reach some kind of a resolution to take to the larger regional forum, which is the Pacific Island Forum.
Pohnpei is getting ready to welcome all delegations from around the Micronesia region for the 28th Micronesian Islands Forum. Started on the 17th of August. Each technical committee which convened their groups to discuss and prepare their reports and updates to the Micronesian Island Forum leaders. These committees are critical as they inform the forum leaders on key technical areas. The Regional Health Committee focuses on health issues that are mutually important across Micronesia. The Education Standing Committee also focuses on all key education aspects that are common threats across the Micronesia. In the area of resource management, we have Micronesia Challenge Standing Committee that brings the region together on stewardship and environmental protection. The Energy Group focuses on challenges and technical issues that are common threat around the region of Micronesia related to energy security. Each of these committees, which has started on August 17th, and they will continue on for the rest of today, August 18th. And on the 19th, the forum leaders convene their formal meeting. And that goes on until August 21. Then that forum leaders concluded their meeting by signing a joint communique that brings all their decisions together on one document and to progress.
I welcome everybody, and it is my hope that we will have a very successful discussion so that it'll be very clear on what we need to do. And when we sign our papers, I think the most important thing is follow through and making sure that what we agree on is carried out and accomplished. So I would like to end kalangan on everybody that will be coming to participate in this forum, and kasiledia.